Welcome to a new house tour here in Tampah Hills. We're now in Villa Nabu. It's an incredible villa designed by Alexis Dornier. It has a lot of really nice architectural details. So you have 4 bedrooms in the main unit and then a separate studio here to the left. So you have 5 bedrooms total, so you can easily sleep 10 people. So let's have a look. We're coming straight into the heart of the villa with big social areas. So large dining table, 2 different sofa arrangements, and a bar, kitchen, and this beautiful wavy inner ceiling cladded with wood strips. So that's really unique with this villa, that you'll see later the bedrooms and some of the rooms have this beautiful arching shape. And all the inner ceiling is cladded with wood strips, and here you can really see the detail coming together when the wood is really, bending around this inner ceiling. It's incredible. It's really good airflow in here as it's opening up to all sides. And out here you have the infinity pool that's bending around, and here you have the sun lounges, and you can find your spot in the shade or in the sun, whatever you like to do. And coming here to the first bedroom, and they all have a small little lounge area where you can sit, work, or just relax with the view. And then coming here we have wardrobes or storage where you can put all your bags. And coming up here, we're coming up to the bed. It's also large, and you're really close to this beautiful inner ceiling with the arch and amazing views. And coming out from this bedroom, we have another one here to the right, also with a beautiful seating arrangement here in the front, bed upstairs, and an ensuite bathroom behind it. So this space is really unique with the villa. So it's optimized for yoga, and it comes with own bathroom shower. In here we have a TV room, very cozy, so for movie nights or whatever you want to use it for. We also have ping pong table, other activities you can do in this space. And coming up to this third master bedroom, we have an ensuite bathroom in the back, wardrobes here, this again beautiful inner wooden ceiling, comfy bed, and your own little outdoor terrace here towards the views. So going past the kitchen, up this way, we reach the 4th master bedroom in the main unit. So let's go up and have a look. Coming up here, we have a sofa, so you can be part of what's going on in the social area downstairs. Also the arch, the views, and coming in here to the 4th master bedroom, you're coming into the beautiful bathroom with its own private bathtub. Really nice designed bathroom. Walking here to the sleeping area of the master bedroom, again with those beautiful inner ceiling. You also have a door you can open to be out of the terrace. And throughout the entire villa, we have those beautiful built-in wood details everywhere. And up here on the east side, we have the 5th bedroom, which is a private studio. So it has its own bedroom, ensuite bathroom, and its own pantry here in the back. So if you're a large group of people or a family, 10 people, Villa Nabu is perfect for you.